I'd like to make a short video to show you how to connect your Daly BMS or those similar MGod BMS to your computers and setting some parameters. And in order to do that, after you get the BMS, you should also have a UART or RS485 cable connection, which turns that into a USB connection. And that is the cable that you need to connect to the BMS to the PC in order to use the software to change it. I am on Mac, so I needed a special software to install Windows in order to do this, because the software that provided by the seller, you're probably able to also download it somewhere. Maybe I can try find the link and put in the description below, but nevertheless, those softwares coming from the sellers, from the manufacturers, they are only working with Windows. So as I am on Mac, there's a solution is to install a software called Parallels for desktop. Just search this, follow the link, then you will be able to install the software. And after the software is installed, it automatically installs the Windows for you if you're on an Intel computer. It doesn't. There's also a version for Mac M1 or ARM architecture, but that one doesn't cannot install the driver in the Windows system. So only Intel Mac is supported. But if you have Windows, nevertheless, so this is a Windows running, and from here I have a device manager where you can easily check if everything's working. And from here you want to download the driver first. That's quite important. If you don't have the driver, the USB is inserted, it will not be able to recognize it's a correct device. So the things to want to search for is WH, CH341 or 340, Windows. So to search this one, maybe with the driver, yes. So this is the page where we can download the driver. So here, CH341, it's uploaded in 2019, it's working for Windows 10. So just download this file. Yeah, and afterwards, just run it and yes, and click the install to install the driver to the Windows machine. Because I have already installed it, I'm not going to do that for now. And then right now you can connect the USB cable from the BMS to your computer. Here, now I'm connecting a USB. You see, after it's connected, there will be a it says USB serial CH340 COM3, and this means it's the driver is correctly installed. I don't need this anymore. And afterwards, what we need to do is go to documents. This is the BMS PC software. I think you could get it from the seller, or maybe I can try find you a link, put in the description. Then you just run this PC master. Let's put into English and click COM set. We have COM3, as it says here, it says COM3, and this one by default is 9600, and click open port. There we can see all the readings of the batteries. I think if it's the first time for you to connect to the batteries, you might want to change some of the parameters, and that is done by this page. And before you try to set them, maybe the best thing is to read them all first. And there's a nice button that says read all. I'm going to click that one. Now you can see it. A lot of values are read from the battery side. I'm not sure why some of them is not. But after you click the reading things, the reading parameters, and on the setting page, you will be able to see them as well. And if you want to change something, basically just change the value and set it, and click set. I think the yellow button means it's not done, or let's try it again. Three, 4. Yeah, when it turns screen, that means that it is changed, and it is the set has been set. Alright, and also just one thing to notice, on the reading part there's no state of charge, probably because it's reading all the time. And then if you need to adjust it because the first time using, just put the value that you think the current battery is, or if you top charge them, and put 100 over here and click set. Alright, I hope this helps in some way, and thanks for watching.